In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a line of credit account in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll have a clean, dedicated place to track what you owe on a line of credit so your books stay accurate and easy to read. We'll start right inside QuickBooks Online. Look toward the upper right corner of your screen and click the gear-shaped icon. This opens your main settings menu. From there, select Chart of Accounts. Think of the chart of accounts as the master list of all the buckets where your money-related activity lives: assets, income, expenses, and in this case, liabilities. Creating the right account here makes everything else, from reporting to reconciliation, smoother. Once you're in the chart of accounts, look to the top right and click New Account. This tells QuickBooks you're creating a brand new place to track something on your balance sheet. It's a simple click, but it's the key to keeping line of credit activity separate from other debt or credit cards. Next, give the account a clear name. Typing line of credit works perfectly, or choose something closely related that your team will immediately recognize. Consistency is your friend here. If you have multiple lines of credit, consider adding the bank or purpose in the name so there's no confusion later when reviewing reports or posting transactions. Now, set the account type to long-term liabilities. This category is designed for debts that you expect to pay off over more than a year. It keeps your obligations organized on the balance sheet and out of day-to-day operating accounts. Then, set the detail type to notes payable. This detail type aligns with structured debt, which is essentially what a line of credit represents, even if you draw and repay it over time. These two choices work together to ensure QuickBooks classifies your line of credit correctly behind the scenes, which helps your balance sheet display as expected and supports accurate financial analysis. That's really all there is to it. With the account named and categorized, you've set the foundation to track the balance of what you owe on the line of credit separately from credit cards or vendor bills. If your organization has specific accounting policies, you can always confirm that long-term liabilities and notes payable match those policies, but for most C-ups, these selections are standard and appropriate. And there you go. That's all you need to create a line of credit account in QuickBooks Online. Keeping this structure clean now will save time later and make your financials clearer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.